All right. So we want to look at this next one, and we want to look at beta positive decay, sometimes also called beta plus decay. So in this case, technically, it's not just a particle. There's a couple of small particles that get ejected, but we're looking at the overall effect because we're trying to focus on what's the end product, the daughter particle at the end. So for beta positive, a lot of times you see a beta symbol, 0, and then the positive or plus means that we have a positive 1 on the bottom. Now it's interesting, the 0 on top, because as it turns out, you don't lose any nucleons, one just makes a transition. And so depending on what type of decay it is, either a proton turns into a neutron or a neutron turns into a proton. And if you look at the math and stop and think about the numbers, it's not too hard to figure out which one's which. All right, but let's run through this example. Neptunium is NP for the symbol. And then if you go check your actinide series or a periodic table in general, or if you look it up, then you'll find out that neptunium has 93 protons. From the question, we can see that this isotope has 237 nucleons. So the top number is free, but the bottom number we have to look up or already know somehow. Then the nice thing is the nucleons don't change, because if I have -0, I still have 237. So yeah, that's nice and simple. Can't draw an arrow though, apparently. Not much better. So 237 nucleons on whatever my answer is. I don't know what that is yet. On the bottom, I had 93 protons in the original element, then I ejected 1, so -1 gives me 92. And then as of right now, we don't know what that's going to make, so we'd have to go and check our periodic table or our actinide series sheet. And then if you do, you find out that's uranium. Again, because of the software issues, I can't format an answer like that, so you would see an answer choice that spelled out uranium 237. Uranium in particular has lots of different isotopes. It can be all the way as low as like 224 and go all the way up to like 250. There's a lot of isotopes of uranium. This one in particular just happens to be 237.